time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start
We have just arrived in Malta, going to check into our hotel, then grab a quick lunch before exploring the city. I heard that there's an amazing restaurant at the rooftop of our hotel, the Embassy Valletta Hotel.
And then later gets ready for the countdown. The weather's actually pretty nice.
Now that we've got a full belly, we're ready to start exploring the city. Our hotel is in Valletta, which is the capital of Malta. It's located on a peninsula in the eastern part of the main island of Malta. And I found out that it's the smallest capital city in the European Union with only over, I think it was like 6,000 people in it. We didn't really know what the city reminded us of. It felt a little bit like Italy, but also like England. It's definitely a very interesting mix. We also found out that Valletta is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its Baroque architecture. Look how pretty. We came across this beautiful church called the Chiesa ta San Publio. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm sorry if I'm not. This church took nearly 2 centuries to build. Like, they literally started in 1733 and it was only completed in the 20th century. So by the way, this area is not Valletta anymore. This area is called Floriana, which is basically a fortified town right outside of Valletta, and it served as an extra layer of defense for Valletta. Like, we literally walked here. It's really close by. Hello! We have finally arrived in Malta. And we are in this area called Valletta, which is kind of like the old town near the waterfront. I don't really know what it reminds me of. It's kind of like Dubrovnik a little bit, but kind of like Italian a little bit. So it's like Croatian, Italian, Spanish, I don't know. And we looked it up. They speak Maltese. And it is a mix of, what did you say? English?
It's Arabic roots, but then with a lot of English, Italian and French words.
English, Italian, and French words, but it has Arabic roots. So yeah, I mean, so far I heard a couple of people speak like they're from Italy, but I'm not really sure. They might actually be just Italian visiting here because it's not that far away from Malta. Poor rabbit. That is the aljota, the Maltese fish soup, and I got calamari fritti because they said that this is one of the local delicacies where seafood here is really fresh.
Perfect. Now only I had a big plate.
These are apparently some local treats.
Restoration is like an official type of
planning to take a ferry over to Sliema to check it out, and saw this little cat guarding the pier. It's so adorable. We also wanted to check out the Manuel Island, but it was closed when we visited. I think they said that it had renovations going on or something like that.
Wow, it's almost 400 years ago.
What is that door up there? It's a huge fall.
너의 중요하다는 words It's for you It's all for you 가만히 있으면 안 되는 걸까 왜 그런 거야 I'm okay just the way I am I'm okay with what I do 지금이 들어도 상관없는데 이끝이 없는 조언들 나만 한 necessity 고맙지만 고맙지 않은데
It's so pretty at night. We are going to eat at this place called Guze. Guze.
Hope you enjoyed checking out Valletta and Sliema in this episode. To continue exploring Malta, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Next, we will be checking out another part of Malta where King's Landing in Game of Thrones was shot, as well as Gladiator and World War Z. Have a good day and see you again soon. Bye!
I don't know how I opened this. It looks like